This is Logitech MX Master 2S, and I have a problem with it. Okay, good morning. This is Logitech MX Master 2S, and this is the predecessor of MX Master 3S. So there's a problem with this mouse, and if you try to on, I think this is already on, but as you can see, there's no cursor moving. However, if I right click, it will work on the right click, but it's not moving. Now this is also true to my brother's mouse, which is the same MX Master 2S, and he's also having trouble like the one that I have right now. And even if you browse the internet, the same thing is happening to some other units of MX Master 2S. So let's fix this. Okay, so in order to work on this, you need to have a tool, a screwdriver, but this one is a small one. This is Phillips screw, but very small. And this one is some sort of hexagonal, very tiny. Just this is for this one, this screw. Okay, so first let's remove. Now as you can see, I already opened this before, this one. That's why it doesn't have any cover anymore. This one, we have to remove this if we want to cover this one. So let's put this aside. Okay, so let's first remove it, this one. Then let's change this one. Now, what they said, the main problem of this is that the button here, there's supposed to be, this is supposed to be a button where it should be clicking, and as you can see, it's stuck. That's why it freezes, because this button is stuck. So we want to unstuck this one or unlock this one. So that's why we need to open it. So now let's open it carefully. Okay, so it's loose, it's already loose, so we need to work on this one. So what they said is we just need to untighten this one. So let's change it back, and okay, we need a smaller one. Hold on, let me. So we may want to check with this. See, it's supposed to be clicking. So if you tighten it that much, let's see if it will click. No more, no click. But if we try to lose this a bit, there will be clicking. Okay, so I think that's the main problem. Okay, so now that we lose it a bit, We tighten it that much. We do not want to lose it that much because along the way it may fall off. So we just a bit of untightening. I think that's enough. Okay. All right. So let's put it back. That's so that's what's inside this mouse. And I tell you, this mouse is quite expensive. It's just maybe about $20 to $30 cheaper than the MX3S, but this mouse seems to be quite problematic. So far, I haven't enjoyed the use of this mouse. So that's the reality. Okay, so let's put it back. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, moment of truth. We already put it together. Let's on this. Okay. All right, so it's now free. The cursor is now free, and it's working. Okay. All right, so I think that's it. That resolved the problem. I hope it will not go back to the previous one.